Hey, what's up? I'm Camelback athlete Eric Porter, and today we're going to talk about the Crux reservoir. So this has a lot of awesome features that I really like. So when you open this thing, it's got a huge opening here and you can fit ice in there, you can clean it easy, and you can dry it easy. Second of all, when you want to take the reservoir out of your pack, you don't have to take your tube out because of this quick link. This can come right out of your bag, you can fill it up, you can put it in the freezer to make it cold. It just pops right back on with no leaks from the reservoir side. I really like the on-off switch next to the bite valve so that you can turn off your water and make sure that it doesn't leak when you set it down somewhere or get all over your car seat, things like that. If you want to customize where your bite valve sits on your shoulder as well, you can actually take the bite valve off and then you can trim your tube so that it's the right length for where it sits on your pack, and then you just pop that right back on and you're good to go. Head over to camelback.com to check out more tips and tricks, and I hope to see you out on the trail.